Hi guys. So in the last video we had done residual error also. I'm gonna explain this a little bit more because passing this kind of parameter was not that clear, I think. So what I did here, I took out the parameters which I passed here, lm.predict xtrain and lm.predict xtrain minus ytrain. To explain this further, so what was our lm.predict xtrain? It was prediction on xtrain data set, and I had already ytrain, which is actual value for xtrain. So whatever I'm gonna predict for xtrain is called ytrain prediction, and the difference between ytrain prediction and ytrain is the residual. For train dataset it is train residual, for test dataset it is test residual. So in the same way lm.predict xtext, it is called ytest prediction, and the difference between two is test residual. So I pass these parameters. Now it looks more clear, more easy to understand, and you can see although we don't have much to show on this plot, when you will have a better data set in our assignment, you will be able to see the residuals on the plot. And when you check the train score test score, obviously in our case we don't have much data set, so our training set score is 1, which won't be in most of the cases with you when you will have a better data set, and test score is none for us. But normally, let's say you get the train score of 75% and test score is 74 point some percent, then you will be able to see that okay, your model is good. But if you have a if you have very high difference between train and test score, you can say that it's underfitting. When you see that there is no difference, your even test score is better than train score, then obviously it's overfitting. So in the assignment you will be able to generalize properly with the dataset overfitting and underfitting. Here I just showed you a simple method how you will do that. You will use lm.score method for train and test by passing xtrain and ytrain, and see whether it's overfitting and underfitting. With practice you will see. So please comment for all these tutorials whether you liked it or not, and what you feel that it's missed from the video. We will add that according to your reviews. Thank you guys, hope you enjoyed the session.